Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the upgradability conditions of this Asus VivoBook M409. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, let me run CPU-Z for you. As you can see guys, this is running an AMD Ryzen 5 mobile CPU. It has max TDP of 15 watts. You can read all the related information here. It's based on 12 nanometer technology, and so on and so forth. Talking about the cache guys, it has got this L3 cache of 4 megabytes. Now talking about the main board guys, this is where all the fun lies. This is manufactured by Asus Tech Computer Inc. The model number here is mentioned X409DA. Guys, for those of you guys who don't know, X409DA is a counterpart of the same laptop but with the Intel processor. I don't know why they didn't change the model name here. The one that I'm currently using is M409DA with Ryzen 5 processor. Actually, the X series stands for the Intel processors and M series stands for the Ryzen processors. The 4 in front of this displays the screen size. If it is 15, the laptop will be of 15 inches. If there is 4, it will be of 14 inches. Talking about the chipset, it is AMD Ryzen SoC, as you all know. Now moving on to the memory aspect, here is what displays the upgradability of the laptop. This is a DDR4 RAM guys. Its size is 8 gigabytes. I don't know why it's showing 8 gigabytes. It's actually 4 gigabyte soldered and 4 gigabyte on the slot which was available. So here you can see the frequency of RAM and everything else. It is a dual channel RAM guys. Now talking about SPD, here you will see the slot 1 which is soldered into the board. It is 4 gigabytes of RAM which is soldered into the main board of this laptop. Talking about the slot 2, I don't know why guys this isn't showing the slot 2, but actually in slot 2 I have got a 4 GB of RAM which makes it 8 GB in total running in dual channel. Guys, this I'll show when I open up the laptop in the later part of this video. Now talking about the graphics guys, it has got Vega 8 graphics, as you all know. It comes integrated with the Ryzen 5 processors. The size is 2 gigabytes, as I already mentioned in my earlier videos that out of 8 GB total RAM, 2 GB is dedicated to this graphics. So now let's run Crucial System Scanner now to see. So here you can see the stats guys. It shows that maximum memory is 20 GB, but I would like to mention here that maximum memory capacity is, as I checked with the Asus team, that it is supports only 12 gigabytes of memory, as one 4 GB is already soldered into the board and the other 4 GB which can be replaced with the 8 GB, making it total 12 GB of memory. You can buy a 8 GB RAM and put it in the place of 4 GB existing one. It will make it 12 GB of total RAM. Talking about the SSD guys, here I'll just go to the SSD. You can either replace the PCIe M.2 SSD which is of 256 GB already into the device, or you can add a 2.5 inch SATA SSD for which the connector is given in the box. When I open up the laptop, I'll show you that as well. As you can see guys, this supports this 2.5 inches SATA SSD as well. So enough of the software aspect. Let's see what's actually inside the hardware of this laptop. Before I show you that, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. So first of all, here are these all screws which I need to unscrew before opening up this laptop. You can see all these screws over here. I'll just unscrew them and show you it from the inside. So guys, here is the laptop itself. I'll just unscrew these 10 little screws from here. So guys, after you unscrew the outer lid, you will see a panel like this. Here's the space for 2.5 inch SSD or HDD. The connector is given in the box itself. Here you can see guys, this is a RAM slot where you can insert a RAM. This laptop actually comes with a 4 GB of RAM already installed in it. You can remove that 4 GB RAM and insert a 8 GB RAM, making it a total of 12 GB of RAM. A 4 GB of RAM is already soldered into the board. Here you can see guys, this is a slot for M.2 SSD. This laptop already comes with a 256 GB of SSD. You can replace this with a higher capacity SSD as well. Here you can see guys, this is a battery which is of 32 watt hours. So guys, you can replace the 2.5-inch SATA SSD. You can replace the RAM as well. You can replace the M.2 SSD as well, as per your liking. So guys, if you want to buy this laptop, consider buying it from the link in the description. This will help the channel a lot. Hope guys you like this one. Thanks for watching.